How to download Sweatcoin Shop app. So if you want to download and install Sweatcoin Shop app on your device, then first you need to check your internet connection. Once your internet connection is stable, you can open up your Play Store or your App Store and go for the upper side, which has that search bar, and then search for Sweatcoin Shop. Once you've searched here, you will have your Sweatcoin application. So if you want to download or install this application, simply tap on the install button. And once you tap on install, it will start the install process. But it might take some time depending on your data or your Wi-Fi connection to download the application. And once you've downloaded, you will have open button on the right side. Simply tap on that open button and it will take you to the application. And once it's downloaded, tap on open, which is on the right side. And now it will take you to the application, so you can sign up to your account or you can log into your account. So that's how you can download Sweatcoin Shop application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.